What do you have that's so special and so unique to offer to the positive movement? I've been in managerial business for about 20 years. And so hiring teams, training them, coaching them, and I was always very interested in intrinsically motivating people. I don't want to tell you how to be better. I want to help you want it from inside so that you can transform out. That to me is a sign of good management. This is your brain getting a stimuli to the amygdala. It bypasses the critical mind, that front logic center, and it goes straight to the primitive mind, and it triggers adrenaline and testosterone. You have the heart pumping, and you're going to talk louder and louder, and you're reacting, right? You're not responding, you're reacting. So that's where I'll bring in the theory of mind and say, you're reacting down here in the subconscious mind. We want to get you up here into responding. You want to be a responder at work, don't you? And then I'll say, it takes usually an average of 20 minutes to move from the emotional brain to the thinking brain, the conscious brain. So what if I taught you guys how to do that in 5 minutes or less, even 3 minutes or less if you really want to learn how to do that at work? If you increase your flow at work 15 to 20%, you will nearly double your productivity. If I'm a manager in the workplace, that's music to my ears, but to my workers, it's music to their ears, because when you're in flow, you are just in the zone. That's how you want to work. The brain understands in images, in metaphors, in pictures, right? So that's what you know how to do. You know how to lower the fight or flight. You know how to elevate them into compassion and empathy. Even athletes, they use visualization to mentally rehearse, right, over and over, so that the body gets conditioned to step into that excellent self, like Tiger Woods uses it, so that when he's on the green, no matter what's happening, he's imagined and visualizes so much that's just white noise. He already has that handled. He's focused and in flow state. Asked me, would I come into the workplace and work with 2 other departments? So this is what you guys have to offer. I just want you to really know that, because at first sometimes you're thinking, oh my God, who's going to accept imagery? What is that? You know, but when you explain the benefit and you bring in research and you show them, embrace that. You know, so positive psychology is our ally. Sometimes they use my words. They'll say, Jessica, we've been giving out Twinkies at work. Hashtag Twinkies. Yeah, one quick story was, there was an employee who had a meltdown, who was crying. I said, what did she need? And the email was like, Jessica, I know she needs the Twinkie. And I was like, did you give it to her? She goes, no, but I found another physical, and she gave her the Twinkie. Get back on your choo-choo train. You can get off and be good. You can get on and be great. And sometimes those of you even going through heartache, I'll even talk about that. Those people are meant to get off your choo-choo train, because you're supposed to be great, and you're too busy trying to get off on the same stop. Get back on. And I'm going to teach you how to do that.